is Madame Shi. First one for you, please.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Pounds of this shit have to fit in a 5-pound bag. There's all the camera stuff. That, I think, is going to be all we got for clothes. That's all we got for hard luggage. I'm pretty full with cameras and drones and lenses.
And here's the final pack.
I need to go.
This is the future Bob and Paula coming to you from Chiang Mai.
So far, it's been a rather exciting, event-filled ride.
We've captured snippets of it to share with you in our upcoming videos.
We hope you'll come along and join us as our journey continues.